Hey, thought I'd give a little update on what we've been doing at the shop. First thing is look at all of the space. We got our big project out. It was like 180 sheets of full-size plywood that was turned into like basically 98% as a part. Second, as you can see in the background, we do have the mill. There's some more about that in a sec. I'll get over there. But this is the mist collector for it. We haven't got that installed yet. Next, Ricky's been hard at work making this new station for the Shapeoko. It's right there. It used to be in the back, kind of hidden. This is its new home. We'll do a whole video on this. It's a pretty cool little setup. We got a torsion box on top, and it's got cool wheels that you can pull off and so you can move it around. Got a little dust collection set up underneath. Next, you're looking at the future home of the mill. And came with this cool little tooling cart. I'm not sure if we're going to keep that. Not a ton of space. Got a new actual storage cart for the mill. And this cool little vise setup for setting up tool holders. Got two cart vices. Got one of their like scratch and dent basically for a good deal, and this one came with it. But the big news of the mill, unfortunately, it is not working because we still have funky power. We're at like 244 volts, so it needs a transformer to take it to at least 220 volts, and it's three-phase delta, so it's a 150-pound transformer that goes in there. So it's just basically sitting here. Go check out our first YouTube video on the mill. It's in our bio. I'm going to do a series. Would have had a second video up by now, but the transformer's been holding us up, so I'm just updating you here now. New joiner from Joe. It's pretty cool. We got this guy set up and actually plumbed in, which is exciting. The other duct will end up going to the top with a little splitter. This is a router table, if you didn't catch that. So that'll be cool. It was way better already. So we got our whole new duct system. Got some NordFab. This shouldn't be here. This shouldn't be here. We're still recovering from having those huge parts being a huge flow through our shop. So we'll get that tidied up here shortly. I think it's still going to be right up by this front of the CNC or the router here. Nothing's really changed here. Got some new prototypes we're working on. This has been a huge improvement. We got an actual shutoff valve, 4-inch cleaning hose to clean up the CNC. That actually really sped up that last big job. I've been loving that so far. Nice little takeoff, and eventually we'll have to figure out how to put a shutoff up there, so that's going to be 6-inch soon, which is exciting. Ricky's also working on a little storage cabinet for the shop. He made that quick. Got a project for our friend Kyle. Got some cutting boards. This is still kind of in limbo back here. I think this is all going to get redone. Our planer behind more crap. It's eventually going to go over here, but we got to build the enclosure for the mill, which that material is on its way to us. So that should be done soon, probably by end of next week, I'm hoping. But anyway, just thought I'd do some kind of update like this instead of making a full-blown YouTube video. I was hoping to have more of running the mill and getting into the second video of that, but there's really not been anything to show because it's been one of the more frustrating processes of finding the transformer that was right. Nobody has it in town, so it's being ordered from maybe Texas or something, and it still hasn't shipped after 8 days, so it's still just sitting there like a big paperweight, a very pretty big paperweight. Thanks for watching my mini episode.